Welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 6 of my Moving Diaries series. I cannot believe we're already this many episodes in. I've had so much fun unpacking, putting together my apartment, starting to organize and set everything up, but I've been waiting to film this episode, which is my apartment shopping. I have always loved transforming my room. I used to rearrange it like all the time. So now that I'm moving out of a studio space to a 2-bedroom apartment, there is so much stuff I need to get. So I just drove to IKEA. This is my favorite place to go apartment shopping because they literally have everything. I do have a list of things that I need to get, but I also just want to shop around and find some cute stuff. The only thing I'm considering is I drive a Volkswagen Beetle, so I definitely want to look at a bunch of cute furniture, but there is a limit to how much I can fit in this car. So I'm excited to see what we find, so let's go in. Can't go anywhere without my water. Also, it is literally December and it is so hot out. It feels so good though. I love the sun. This kitchen is so cute. I have been obsessed with organizing, especially my kitchen. So this is my dream. Like, look at that organization. I love these. I have a couple Tupperware that are glass like this with a wooden top. So I definitely want to get more sizes. And this bag for vegetables, oh, so cute. I also really like these. I want like a super organized refrigerator. And the pantry, so cute. And I love these little Tupperware containers. They're glass and they have these flowers. This is like the dream kitchen. I love the wood and the white. So cute. And the tile. I also really like these. I have these cups in clear, but I love the brown. I feel like it looks so good with the other white dishes. And these bowls, I don't even know what I could put in a bowl that small. I love this set. So cute. I definitely want to get these. This is also so cute. I don't know why my camera looks so low quality. It matches a lot of the furniture I have. I love like wooden furniture and stuff like that, so that is so cute. And this light, that would fit perfectly in my apartment. And I also like this guitar, but I don't think that's an option. That's my couch. I got it at my last apartment, but I still have it. I would need a huge one of these for my soy sauce. This could be really cute in the living room, but I want to look for a coffee table. This is actually what I'm thinking. It's wood, it's long, it looks perfect. Underneath it has like a shelf. I feel like that look is really cute. It might be too big though. And it also looks really low. The surfboard one is kind of cute. That's not really the look I want. Okay, this is what I've been looking for. This shelf, I actually have this and I love it. It's a good price. It's wood with the white like I like. So I'm gonna get another one of these today. Oh, it's actually on sale. Love that. I want to put this one upstairs. My other one is downstairs. And I think it'll be cute. I have like a blank wall. Hopefully it fits in my car. This one's kind of similar. It looks really cute too. It's a lot taller, but the wood looks really nice. I think I'm gonna go with the other one since I already have the big one to match and I have a mini size, so I'll have 3. Never mind, this is the dream kitchen. This is so perfect. I really like this. I think this would be so nice to have a rack to hang like my fruit, oven mitt and everything, but I don't know if we have a place for that. That'd be a good thing though to keep in mind for inspiration. I do really like this cutting board, how it hangs off the counter, so I think I'm gonna get one of these. Oh, so cute. This is kind of what my Tupperware looks like, just stacked up. These chairs are all so cute. I think these two are my favorite. $125 each is a lot. I could just get one for me. I'll just sit on the cute chair. This one is so cute. It's comfy. I love looking at the kitchen stuff. I would take any of these kitchens. I love this. The lighting is so weird. This is so cute. I've been baking more. Definitely want to get like a display. That one is so cute. It has little flowers at the bottom too. So cute. I'm just gonna walk out of here with like a million kitchen things. Definitely need one of these for my tea. I completely forgot to measure my silverware drawer, so I think this one will fit, but I cannot tell. I guess I'll skip it and measure next time. I literally, in the car, I realized I forgot to measure. I was like, that was the only thing I was supposed to do. I have been needing one of these for so long, especially when I wash my rice. So excited to finally get one. I love all the baking stuff. Like, these are so cute. Also love all these plates and bowls. This blue one reminds me of a coffee mug that I have. The thing is, I want all of this cute kitchen stuff, like this with the edges. There's no way these are only $4.99. That is so exciting. Also love this pack in this color. Those are so cute. They do look really scratched up though. I love all of these glass dishes. They all look so pretty, but I feel like I could thrift these. And I have these I use for sushi plates. They're so cute. This could be a nice bowl, like a serving bowl. I love all these different colors. I want to get like a couple different plates, like to have a bunch of different designs. I think that'd be cute. Pink bowl plates, so cute. Okay, I like the pink. There's also this like beige color and this green. I don't know how I'm gonna make a decision. See, where was this pink set last year? I want all my dishes to be pink. So here's what I have so far. I got some dishes, bowls and plates, strainers. This is all kitchen stuff. I really like the pink and the blue, and then I found the brown mini bowls that I wanted. So far, it's looking so cute. I don't want to leave the kitchen section. I still have so much to get, but I've already spent so much time in here. These mugs are all so cute. I really want to get a display like this to have all my different mugs out. I really love all three of these colors. I don't know if they look a little small. I think I'm gonna get two anyway. I think I'm gonna get pink, of course, and then this like off-white color. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is literally what I've been needing. It has a shaker, a shot glass. I don't know what the stick is for, to like pound stuff, but it's perfect. I really want to make like some Christmas cocktails, so I feel like these glasses would be perfect. I'm so excited to show you guys all this stuff. I forced myself out of the kitchen section. I spent way too much time over there, but I'm skipping the room section, like with all the bedding and stuff. I really haven't done anything with my room yet, so I want to make a whole video, like room transformation, all of that. And now I'm gonna look at furniture, bathroom stuff, everything else. My cart is already full. I really need to find a cute living room rug for under my couch. I think just white would be nice. This one, it's just plain white. It looks fuzzy and cute. It's so soft. I feel like this would be so nice. I feel like a big plain rug under my couch and then I'll decorate would make it look really nice. Haven't really decided. This one feels really good though. I need another bathroom trash can. This basket is so cute. I think it could be so nice to hold blankets next to the couch. I think I might just get it. Finally to the lighting section. I really want to get a couple different lamps, especially for nighttime. I feel like the daytime to nighttime vibe change in my living room is going to be so cute once I get a bunch of lamps. This one for sure is so cute, especially with color changing bulbs. I don't even know where to find that though. Like, where is it? I also have this one that I love. These are the light bulbs I've been looking for. So they can do all these different colors. It comes with a remote control. They're so expensive, but I saw someone on Instagram and she showed her nighttime lighting and I was like, oh, okay, I definitely need these. Only for one light bulb, by the way. I couldn't skip the candle section. These are my favorite. They're pink and they smell like jasmine. Alright, so I finally made it to this section. The only thing I kind of want to look at is that shelf, just to see if it'll fit in my car. That's kind of the only piece of furniture that I found today that I definitely want. Moment of truth, let's see. Oh, it's right here. Oh yeah, we could totally do this, guys. So here it is. We could totally fit this. Look at this box. We could totally do that. I was a little bit worried, but we're gonna do it. Guys, we did it. I am so excited. I fit my shelf. Wait, do I need any more pieces? Shit, you know what? I think we also need this piece. I think we do. Will this fit in my car? Oh God, that's a little scary. I thought we were good, but we also need to fit this. It's like as tall as me. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna risk it and get it. We're just gonna make it fit. If I have to unbox it, we're just gonna do that. We're gonna make it fit. All right, I'm a little nervous now, but let's do it. All right, we checked out and now is the moment of truth. It was expensive. I just spent over $300. I got a lot of stuff though. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna have so many good videos, but let's try and load this up. I'm scared. We did it. Success. That was a workout. I am headed back inside to grab something to eat. Can't go to IKEA without getting a snack. I usually get the whole meatball plate, but I'm just gonna grab something quick that I can eat on my way home. My mom told me to get the veggie dog. Never tried it. She said it's amazing. So it's vegetarian. Sounds delish. Bye IKEA, until next time. It's actually really good. Very successful IKEA shopping trip. My entire car is filled and I am on my way home to give you guys a haul. I've made it back from IKEA. I found so much good stuff. It took me a couple trips to bring it from my car, and you guys know I don't do a couple trips very often. I'm very much the person that takes one trip and gets everything somehow, even though it seems impossible, to bring it up to my apartment so I don't have to go down again and get the rest of the shit. But I got a lot of breakable stuff, a lot of dishes and everything, so I made a couple trips. So that being said, I got a lot of stuff. I am so excited. I kind of assumed I would walk away spending a good amount of money, but this was a big trip for new apartment stuff. So I am so excited to show you guys everything. I had to end this video with a haul to wrap everything up. We'll start with the small things and then I'll show you the big things that I got. I literally am just sitting with a pile of this stuff around me. We will start out with kitchen appliances because that seems to be the theme of this video. I have an obsession with cute dishes and all these different things. I found first this bowl plate. I literally only got one. I don't know why. I should have got at least two for a set, but it's really pretty in this blue color and then it has this brown border. It matches one of the coffee mugs I have that I did not get from IKEA, so kind of random. But I also ended up finding these mini brown bowls that I had looked at in store and I was like, oh my god, these are so cute. So when I saw them on the shelf at the checkout, I was like, perfect. I love them. Again, ceramic, really pretty. They're kind of small, like I don't really know what you put in this, but next, not as fun, I got two strainers. I'm thinking this one for like rice and then this one for anything else. I found these two mugs. I love the colors so much. One is pink and then one is this like beige off-white. They look a little bit small. Like my full cup of coffee is usually in a huge cup. These will work great. I'm always looking for new mugs. Next, I also got this glass mug. I thought this was so fun. I feel like it's gonna get really hot. These I've been so excited to open up and show you guys. So this holiday season, I keep talking about making some festive cocktails. I've seen like this Christmas cookie cocktail or something like that on Instagram a bunch of times. So when I saw these glasses, I was like, oh my gosh, these are perfect. They're these really pretty glasses. I love the design on them. They're like a perfect little size. They look so fancy and cute. I can do like a nice rim on them. Another not as fun, I got this pan. It's really nice. It was really cheap. It was like $5. I also got these plates in pink. I'm so excited for pink plates. They're ceramic, they're bowl plates. To go with the Christmas cocktails, I bought this shaker, shot glass, this wooden stick to mash stuff. I don't know. I don't really make any fancy drinks, so now I can start. I've been wanting a shaker for a while, so I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun, and I can make a bunch of like Instagram reels of like making holiday drinks. I saw this on the shelf and searched the store for it because a lot of times I go to IKEA and I'm like, oh, I want this, this is cute when I look at all the displays, but then I completely forget about it when I'm actually shopping for everything. I made sure to remember this so I could find it at the end. It's so cute. It's all wrapped up. As I've said recently, I've been doing a lot more baking, especially for the holidays. I feel like it'd be so cute to just always have something, you know, in the oven, smelling good. So in order to display all of the things I've been baking, I bought this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It is the cutest glass display case. And I don't know if you guys can see, what really stood out to me on this one in particular is this design of all these flowers. And then it has this scalloped edging and it's glass. It's gonna look amazing on my kitchen island. The last couple things for the kitchen are these two scrubbers for dishes. And then I also bought this spatula. I also bought these for grocery bags. I think these would be so cute to put fruit or vegetables and even to hang them up filled in the kitchen or put them in the fridge. They'd be so cute. I just need to remember these. So I think I'm gonna keep them right by the front door. That is it for kitchen stuff. Now we can move on to room stuff and everything else. Starting off strong with a trash can. It was only $1. I also bought this singular light bulb for like $35. It is one light bulb and a remote. I guess we'll see if it's worth it in my next moving video, but I have the perfect lamp for it, so I'm excited. Next, I have this basket. I thought this was the prettiest thing ever, and I usually don't buy stuff like this on impulse just because this is kind of a big thing. I usually like really try to plan what I'll want, but I thought this was so pretty. Love the wood. It really goes with my taste in furniture. Next to me here is my shelf. And that is what I bought here and in the other box over there. I absolutely love this shelf. It's pretty tall, and then I also have a mini one, so I got another tall one to put upstairs. The wood, the white, everything about it is perfect. It's very open. So I'm gonna be building that too in my next moving video. I feel like it's really gonna bring the upstairs together also. So anyway, that is everything I bought at IKEA, and that is the end of today's video. So thank you so much for watching and staying until the end. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss another Moving Diaries video in this series. I have a bunch more episodes to go, but this was episode 6 and it was so fun. This was probably my favorite episode so far because I just love getting apartment stuff and then showing it to you guys. But you will see all this stuff set up and come together in my apartment soon, so I will see you guys then. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.